Shopmonkey is really just a culmination of my love of motorsports, my love of software, and the calling that I believe I have to serve the people in this industry and repair shops specifically. My name is Ashot Iskandarian, and I'm the founder and CEO of Shopmonkey. In 2016, when I had my daughter Kayla, I lost the time and the ability to go into the garage to work on my vehicle. So for the first time, I started to take my vehicles and my wife's vehicle into repair shops in the San Jose area on a regular basis. Having worked in financial technology companies in the Bay Area as a product manager and having built some software, one of the things I naturally started to do was peek behind their monitor to see what systems they were using. And after digging in, I saw just a slew of needs that these shops were having a hard time with. The owners ended up spending anywhere from 20 to 50% of their time managing to making sure that everything reconciled and everything was being tracked and accounted for. I felt like I had to do something about it. And my love of motorsports and my love of software really kind of came together into a conviction and a calling to realize that this is my niche in life. You know, I'm here to serve this industry with amazing, beautiful software. And that's what really gave me the confidence to quit my job in 2017 and start working on Shopmonkey. Having started Shopmonkey off a calling and off a purpose, I think has really transcended to the broader team in that we now take pride in and celebrate when we see these shops thrive. For us, it means giving shop owners and service riders and technicians time back. And we do that by thinking about ourselves being more than just a vendor to them. We think about a partnership with the shop to look at them holistically and comprehensively and to help them chip away at these problems with software that's beautiful and quality and easy to use. Travis Brown, Shopmonkey's Chief Operating Officer, and I ended up buying Full Throttle Garage in Morgan Hill, California, which today services and repairs classic and vintage hot rods. Being a customer of Shopmonkey as the owner of Full Throttle has been incredibly eye-opening. It's allowed me to see just how far we've come and what an amazing product we've built. But it's also been sobering and insightful in just how much more work we have left to do to accomplish the vision and mission that we set out from day one. And it's allowed me to just be motivated and continue the commitment that we have to build the best shop management system out there.